This video is dedicated to help you get rid of the new adware type application called cache optimization. We have thoroughly researched this this application called cache optimization, and we found out that it actually belongs to the adware family of infections, specifically targeting Mac computers right now. Cache optimization adware is often spread through integration with many free applications. Also, a lot of times people download this program through fake software or browser update alerts. There may be some sudden pop-ups in the browser mentioning that you supposedly need to implement some urgent updates. When people mistakenly agree with that proposal, they actually install a lot of junk software, including this cache optimization. So you should remove this application in order to stop its annoying ads. Go to your Finder, go to Applications. When you find this program called Cache Optimization, right-click on it and move it to the trash. In order to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application, and then begin researching and investigating your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove any hidden malware. Click on Start Combo Scan button. The program is initially in the trial mode, but even the trial version is provided with several free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance of your Mac computer. So then the scanning will begin. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of the threats, their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license, since this is the best solution to keep your Mac always clean and free of any other threats.